Granny here. Just want to tell you guys that refrigerator report you got back in June is coming out again in August. I tell you what. Yeah. You don't want to miss that refrigerator report. I got mine on my refrigerator right here. Let me show you. I got this cool magnet, and we're going to give you some more on August the 1st. I got my report right here. This one's from July. But tells me everything I need to know that's going on at the Way Church. So, y'all excuse me for being rude and eating my food. But you need to make sure you get one on August the 1st. This will be our second edition because it tells you everything you need to know about the Way Church. So don't forget to see me that morning. And if you didn't get your magnet already, I'm going to give you a magnet and we're going to get you the new report. I'll wait to see you there.